Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to change the time zone in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's go and see you've traveled to another country, or maybe you've even moved and see you want the date and time to be reflective of that. So all you need to do is go to the bottom right of your computer to where the date and time are. And go right-click on them. You'll see these options. Here you need to click on Adjust Date and Time. So what you can then do is come to this section here where it says Time Zone, and you can go and click on this drop-down menu, and you can then go and choose the time zone you want to go and use. Let's go and say I was in Hobart. Then what I could do is go and click on it like so, and you'll go and see the time zone is then updated. And the time is set. If that's simple, of course you can change it again to whatever you need it to be. Please consider subscribing and liking the video.